Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to deal with flyaways. And if you guys don't know what flyaways are, it's basically these strands of hair that grow out of your beard. And whenever you're in between beard trims or anything, causing it to look ungroomed and dirty, as you can see here. So all you need today, pair of clippers with a number 2 guard and a comb. So grab your number 2 guard, put it on the clipper, comb your beard down like this, all of it. We're gonna go down with the grain of the beard straight down. So you wanna be going straight down motion like that. It's important not to dig too in, just try to go on a straight line. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna catch all of those flyaways while maintaining the length of your beard, keeping it full. We're gonna comb it all down. Now, with the front side, comb it down and just go down like this. So now that we did that, guys, we dealt with the sides. Now you can see it's nice and clean and flush on the sides. Now we're gonna grab our comb. We're gonna brush out our beard like this. Now with our clipper, no guard on it, we're gonna freehand and we're just gonna cut off the tips there. Just like that. You see that, guys? Do you guys see that? You see how much more sharper that looks? All we did is go down with the grain with a number 2, and then with no guard, go ahead and clean up the bottom, and that's about it. Quick and easy tutorial, no need to make it overly complicated. Go ahead and try it and then let me know in the comments if it works for you, and if you guys want me to make more videos like this. See you guys next time.